Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you how to scribe floor close to the wall or how to install floor boards close to the wall, last boards close to the wall. So in this video I did double glue down floor installation. What means double glue down? First of all, I glue the 1/4 inch cork underlayment first to the concrete subfloor, and then I glue over hardwood. I have many questions from my subscribers how to finish floor close to the wall, and most of these questions about vinyl floor, about laminate floor, but for any floor it's the same idea. So for example, what I'm doing now, I'm just gluing the floor, and if you're doing the same material, just floating system, it means you glue it tone and groove together with underlayment, not gluing exactly this floor to the subfloor, or you nail down floor. So last board you scribe the same in any kind of material. So just have a look. I'm just install this 2 rows, and then you will see what the next I'm doing. I really like to do glue down floor. This is my preferred installation because it's really solid installation, and no noise, no any sound when you walk over. And if you did it properly, this is for, like any company guarantees, 25, 30, maybe over years you can use this floor and just enjoy it. This is white oak brushed wood with satin finish, so nice. Okay, now we have to scribe last row. So what we're doing, just I took the full board and put over the previous row exactly to the edge, and then I took a piece of scrap. It's the same material with stone and groove, just short pieces. I flip this piece over because top of this piece wider than bottom, and then I attach side with tongue to the wall, and then slide this piece over this piece of wood. I make a mark with pencil. Then I cut over this piece, follow this line. You see the small piece, it's already scrapped. So, and we have exactly a line which is full of all wall and perfection. If you have a look with attention, you can see this, some side is more wider, some side is narrow. Then put it in and use pull bar, put this board to the own place, and use wedges to hold this board. So why I put board to the middle of this room first, under the battery? Because it's always hard to do it. Easy to install first under the battery, full board, and then very easy put from finish floor from both sides. So if you don't have a heating register, you can just start from one wall and go to the another wall. Here is exactly you can see the top of the board wider than bottom. When you scribe the floor, tongue give it to you exactly 1/4 inch. It's exactly a 1/4 inch gap which needed between wall and floor. Just you slide the board and make mark, then follow. When you cut on table saw, you just follow this line, or if you don't have table saw, you can use jigsaw or skill saw, and then put it on place and fix with wedges. I hope this video was helpful. It's better to see once than hear 100 times. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I'm always answer you. See you on next video.